Healing Meditation from Mother Mary. This meditation can be practiced anytime you feel the symptoms of a Syrian light body activation. Relax your body and still your mind. Feel yourself enter into a state of stillness. Feel the energy around you begin to change. With intent, connect to the divine energetic presence of Mother Mary, the vessel through which all pain dissolves. Take a deep breath in. As you inhale, connect your mind to your heart chakra. Know that you are being supported by Mother Mary to release all symptomatic pain into the light. As you exhale, visualize the breath flowing out from your heart chakra. Feel the vibration of love being absorbed into every atom and cell of your being. Feel anxiety and fear releasing. Repeat the above exercise a few more times as needed. Embrace the changes that will take place through the divine intervention of Mother Mary. From Transference Healing.